Torrential slide value equivalent to $21.2367 a coin. The present reach: $20.1893, $21.9820. The earlier day close: $21.9820. The change was 0.7453, 3.39%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost forecast for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $11.34. Greatest cost $36.27, least cost $10.88. The normal for the month $23.09. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $33.87, change for November 198.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $33.87. Greatest cost $45.79, least cost $31.79. The normal for the month $37.69. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $39.29, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at $39.29. Most extreme cost $48.77, least cost $39.29. The normal for the month $43.23. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $45.58, change for January 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $45.58. Greatest cost $45.58, least cost $39.25. The normal for the month $43.15. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $42.20, change for February 7.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for walk 2024. Before all else cost at $42.20. Most extreme cost $42.20, least cost $32.97. The normal for the month $38.21. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $35.45, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $35.45. Most extreme cost $37.32, least cost $32.44. The normal for the month $35.02. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $34.88, change for April 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at $34.88. Greatest cost $34.88, least cost $29.94. The normal for the month $32.97. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $32.19, change for May 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else cost at $32.19. Most extreme cost $32.19, least cost $25.15. The normal for the month $29.14. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $27.04, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $27.04. Greatest cost $27.92, least cost $24.26. The normal for the month $26.33. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $26.09, change for July 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place cost at $26.09. Greatest cost $29, least cost $25.20. The normal for the month $26.85. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $27.10, change for August 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $27.10. Most extreme cost $27.10, least cost $21.86. The normal for the month $24.89. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $23.50, change for September 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. At the outset cost at $23.50. Most extreme cost $29.17, least cost $23.50. The normal for the month $25.86. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $27.26, change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at $27.26. Most extreme cost $27.26, least cost $21.30. The normal for the month $24.68. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $22.90, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $12.45. Greatest cost $12.91, least cost $11.23. The normal for the month $12.17. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.07, change for January 3.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $12.07. Most extreme cost $14.98, least cost $12.07. The normal for the month $13.28. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $14, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $14.00. Most extreme cost $17.38, least cost $14. The normal for the month $15.41. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $16.24, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $16.24. Greatest cost $19.66, least cost $16.24. The normal for the month $17.63. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $18.37, change for April 13.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $18.37. Most extreme cost $18.37, least cost $14.35. The normal for the month $16.63. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $15.43, change for May 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. In the first place cost at $15.4.